Our top story tonight is Hurricane Erin, the first major hurricane of the 2025 Atlantic season, which has now intensified into a Category 5 storm and is carving a destructive path across the northeast Caribbean. The storm, packing sustained winds of around 160 miles per hour, underwent one of the fastest intensifications on record. What began as a tropical disturbance off the coast of West Africa just days ago has now become a powerful and dangerous hurricane, with the National Hurricane Center describing conditions as potentially catastrophic. At this hour, Erin's center is passing just northeast of Anguilla, battering the Leeward Islands with violent winds, torrential rain, and storm surge. Puerto Rico, the U.S. and British Virgin Islands, and the Turks and Caicos also in the storm's sights, with authorities warning of up to 6 inches of rainfall in some areas. That brings a significant threat of flash floods and landslides, and local governments have moved swiftly to prepare. In Puerto Rico, seaports have been shut down, shelters inspected, and emergency personnel deployed, including more than 200 members of FEMA. The storm's deadly impact has already been felt further east. In Cabo Verde, Erin's precursor system unleashed devastating flash floods earlier in the week. On the island of São Vicente, more than 7 inches of rain fell in just 5 hours, leaving at least 9 people dead, 5 missing, and displacing roughly 1,500 residents. The country has declared a state of disaster, and international assistance, including a $10 million package from the World Bank, is being mobilized. Looking ahead, Erin is forecast to continue on a west-northwest track before gradually turning northward later this week. Current projections suggest the storm will pass between Bermuda and the U.S. East Coast, sparing the mainland from a direct strike. But officials caution that even without landfall, the system's sheer size and strength will generate dangerous conditions along the Atlantic seaboard. Beginning midweek, strong waves and life-threatening rip currents are expected to impact beaches from Florida up through New England. This hurricane arrives in what forecasters have already warned will be an above-normal season. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration predicts as many as 18 named storms this year, with up to 5 reaching major hurricane strength. Erin is the first to do so, setting a sobering tone for the months ahead. For now, communities in the Caribbean remain on high alert as the storm continues its march. And along the U.S. coastline, residents and visitors alike are being urged to use caution near the water and to follow official guidance in the days to come. You're up to date on Hurricane Erin. We'll continue to monitor its progress and bring you the latest as conditions develop.